In this video, I'll show you how to factory reset your Brother MFC printer in case you encounter some errors or something goes wrong and you want to start fresh the same way the printer was when you took it out of the box. So how to do this? Well, we need to go into the menus. Now, not all Brother MFC printers are looking the same, but usually they have the same menu settings. So to do so, you need to go and press the settings button. Then you need to navigate until you have selected Initial Setup. Press OK. Go down and select Reset. And then from this menu, you need to go all the way down and select All Settings. This will delete any personal information, anything from your printer, and you'll be ready to go afterwards. So press OK. And then you need to hold this right side arrow for 2 seconds to confirm. And after a while, it will take another few seconds. The printer will shut down, will turn on back again, and everything will be resetted. So I hope this video was helpful. If so, please leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.